going to be replacing the cabin air filter in a 2008 Toyota Tundra. All right, you can find it through the glove box. There's this arm here. Pull it out and press into the top here, and that'll release the glove box down. The box doesn't always fall all the way off. Sometimes it stays hinged. Access to the cabin air filter will be available. Point the filter up. All right, push the outside tabs in. And that cover will come off. Here's the filter. Yeah, that doesn't look good. I have a new one here from AutoZone. CAF1816P, the STP version. Same size and looks much nicer. Filter will go in up. I reinstall in reverse order. Doing this, I just realized, never knew there was a compartment there.